Hey, welcome back. It's freezing cold outside, so what would be better than a big bowl of ice cream? We don't have ice cream, so we're gonna make snow cream. What you'll need is a big bowl of snow, the milk of your choice, some vanilla, and some Jukes mayonnaise. Let's go get some snow. Okay, so here's a pro tip. Whatever you do, don't eat yellow snow. That should do it. And I forgot to mention you need sugar too. So I'm going to mix the milk and the vanilla together. And just make it easier to incorporate it into the snow. And don't measure, just eyeball it. Yeah, that'd be about right. And then I'll add the sugar as I'm mixing this up and get it the right amount of sweetness. And get rid of that. And you just start mixing it in. And you want to work with it until it gets to be about the consistency of ice cream. It'll never be the consistency of ice cream, but you can get it the consistency of snow cream. And you just keep tasting it until you get it as sweet or as vanilla-y as you want. And it won't take long. As it starts to melt, it starts to incorporate better. This is a great project for kids when there's snow down to school. That's what we used to do when I was a kid. Tastes really good, sweet, vanilla, and I was just kidding about the mayonnaise. Don't put that in there. Really good.